Hi Patreons, just going to give you a quick Patreon diary. What's going on here? So it's been a bit busy. I'll show you a couple of pictures of two tables me and Will's been working on. Something I'm really excited about actually is Will's now working for Manorwood 3 days a week, so which is what he wants because he's got his own private jobs as well. So I'm really excited about that, and we are actually talking about starting a Manorwood sawmill, which I'm really excited about for next summer. Maybe even some sort of serious kiln drying for the UK, which stuff that I've seen on YouTube in Canada and all over the place. We don't seem to have many places in the UK like that, so quite excited about that. But for now, let me just show you how the oak frame's coming along. Finally, potentially this weekend, we've had a bit of a drawback with the weather. There was a massive storm, if you're not in the UK. It did rip off the roof, we did get wet in the new workshop again. All kinds of hassles, but anyway, that's now done. The skylights are nearly in, the Veluxes, and bit you see here with the membrane, that's going to be the new workshop. As I said before, that's for the joinery, kind of no machines. There won't be very many machines, maybe a bandsaw and a little sander, but this machine room is going to be in there. I can't wait to show you all that, coming very soon. The end bit's going to be half and half. It's going to be a bit of a gazebo for me and my family. We're going to cut down those bushes and we get a view for the first time when we moved to the property. This, as you can see here, was a stable, and our house is behind over there. All we ever saw was stables. We're not horsey people, and now we actually get a massive view, which is something we didn't know we even had. So one of the few benefits, not that you can really say that with the fire, but anyway, so we're only building that bit there. This is going to be the workshop, joinery, main entrance for me, and I'm going to take you around the back and show you the main entrance for you guys when you visit, because I've got some exciting news in the next couple of weeks to tell you about for Patreon. So let's show you the back. That's the old double doors from the resin room. Resin room's now going to be in there. You can see, I'll show you the other side of that in a minute. That's going to be the main way into the workshop, kitchen, bathroom area. Going to be there, which I mentioned before. We're going to be blocking something off there to stop access to the upstairs, so we can make fire breaks everywhere. Now I'm completely paranoid about all of that, so I'll take you through here. This is going to be, you've guessed it, it's a CNC room. Let me show you from the back. This is going to be hard to see, I know. This is going to be this bit here. It's like just under 4 meters. Loading doors, bring slabs in, stick them on the CNC. I'm going to cut that little sole plate out, then it'll roll into there for being worked on. And this area on the end, which is half, well, it's just an undercover area. It's half gazebo. Always gives me room to expand if I have to, but it's an undercover area. We know how hideous it is working with the grinders and angle grinders and stuff, so I can wheel stuff out of there, work under here. Oh, me and my family can sit here, look at the little pond and the nice view and our sheep. So that'll be quite interesting. And what everyone will see, that's all going to go. We're not horsey people. We bought the property with this menage. That menage is going to go. It's going to be a parking area, giving us potentially room for sawmill or whatever. We'll see. Anyway, it's quite a nice area. So, but this hard to see with the scaffold. But here we've got two. I'll put a picture up. I've done a drawing on. I designed this on Fusion. I'll show you a Fusion picture now. That's going to be the entrance for people visiting Manorwood. Going to go in here. Probably end up putting shutters on this bad boy. This actually lifted up in the storm. We had the big storm. Let me show you what happened. It's horrendous. I don't know how long this building has been here, but that one was okay down there. Look at this. Look. Big hole. These big craters. One there. Massive crater. There's one right back here. I know it's hard to see in the dark actually, but we think the whole building come off the ground, so it's quite scary to be honest what happened. It's about 2 weeks ago, and it has put some delays with what's going on. There's a potential that I'm going to fill this bay in. I need the first bit because we can't turn the forklift around unfortunately, but maybe I'm going to fill this bay in and have, I don't know, maybe a little spray booth in here. We'll see. I don't know yet, but it's a lot of work to be done. So we have been really busy getting 2 tables ready. One of them's massive, probably the biggest I've done, 2 meters by 2 meters English oak. Be good. They're not delivered. We're going to deliver them next Friday. This is now Friday, so a week Friday. Bases are going to have to be powder coated, so that's in hand. Yeah, there's a video coming for the YouTube community tonight actually, but you've seen that. That's one of the builds of the more in-depth on the bar, and then I'm going to start just before Christmas, bit of a workshop tour. I'll show you guys first what's going on in there. There's a new machine arriving, Felder, coming to commission it on Monday, so I'm going to show you all about that, and we go back to normal in the new year, and I'm going to start editing. I've got about 150 clips of the two new tables to sort through. I've just been recording it all, so yeah, just wanted to give you a quick hello, quick update, tell you what's going on. So it is moving on, and the roof I'm going to show you now is finally nearly slated, which means I can start sleeping at night, not thinking, Christ, everything's going to get wet and ruined. So as always, thanks so much for your support. We are getting slowly back to normal here. Some exciting stuff coming for 2022. I think we all need a bit of a break. So looking forward to that.